Hello student, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the complete syllabus and exam preparation strategy for the subject image processing and pattern recognition. Code is TCS 361 of 6th semester. So this video is very important for all students because in this session I'll explain one by one. So few topics will be covered. Number 1, complete syllabus overview. Number 2, important units for exam. Number 3, most scoring topics. Number 4, numerical and theory preparation strategy. Number 5, how to study before your semester exams. At last, how to score good marks in this subject. So watch this video till the end. So first of all, let us understand the basic details of this subject. Your subject name is image processing and pattern recognition. So generally we are dividing this subject into two parts. Number one is digital image processing and number two pattern recognition and computer vision. So we can say this subject shows actual explanation of these concepts like computer visions, pattern recognitions and some other things we can say. Semester is 6 and credits are 4. So this subject is a combination of pattern recognition, statistical analysis, image processing, feature extraction, machine learning basis, at last mathematical foundation. That is very important. So this subject is very important for students interested in AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, medical imaging, cybersecurity, at last research work. They are looking for some other research oriented topics and terms and many more. So now let us discuss the syllabus unit by unit. Number 1 unit is introduction. What does it mean? Introduction to pattern recognition. Now we are talking about only those patterns. So we are identifying or recognizing in terms of different areas. So this is one of the most important unit for theory understanding. So some topics includes like basics of pattern recognition. Number one. Second is dataset, basic theory of dataset. Number three, different paradigms of pattern recognition. Number four, pattern recognition system design, representation of patterns and classes. Generally, we are saying the representation of patterns and classes and how we can categorize it. Next is learning and adaptation, metric and non-metric proximity measures, linear algebra basics, probability theory, expectations, mean and covariance, normal distribution. Normal distribution is a very important topic. At last, chi-square test. And we can apply into some sample and samplings. So, preparation strategy for unit number 1. The student should focus on definitions. Number 1. I'm repeating again. Students should focus on definitions, diagrams, and mathematical basics questions from mean, covariance, probability, and normal distributions. And these are very important for exam. So important tip. I'm giving you important tip like prepare short notes for pattern recognition system. Number 1. Number 2, supervised versus unsupervised learning. You can prepare it. Number 3, distance measures. And number 4, at last, statistical concepts. So you can cover these 4 topics. I'm repeating again. Pattern recognition system you can prepare. Supervised versus unsupervised learning. Number 3, distance measures. At last, statistical concept. You can prepare like this. So we can cover this unit number 1. Now, if we are saying unit number 2, what does it mean? It means statistical patterns recognition. So this topic is very important and you can score up to 10 marks, 10 to 15 marks. So some topics are there. Number 1, Bayesian decision theory. Number 2, classifier. Number 3, maximum likelihood method. Number 4, density estimation. Number 5, discriminant functions. At last, linear discriminant functions. It is known as LDF or LDA, linear discriminant analysis. So this is very important for numerical aspects like Bayes theorem. You can prepare some numericals on Bayes theorem. Number 2, classification problem. At last, probability based decision making. So exam preparation strategies you can do like this. Students must practice numerical questions because theoretical understanding alone is not enough in this unit. So you have to prepare some numerical portions along with theory part. So very important topics are Bayesian classifiers, number 2, maximum likelihood estimation, and number 3, linear discriminant functions, LDF. So you can prepare this unit with theory plus numerical portion. So now we'll move to the next one. Next unit is, it says image processing, and we can say it is preliminaries and processing. This is one of the most core unit of this subject. So many more topics we can cover like image acquisition. You can see in this unit image acquisition. Number 2, optical system, image sensors, digital image formation, grayscale and color images, feature extraction, feature selection, gray level mapping, histogram processing with processing, histogram equalization, and histogram matching. You can combine these three topics: histogram processing, histogram equalization, and histogram matching. Next is thresholding, median filter and mean filter, correlation, template matching, edge detection, image sharpening, morphology, dilation and erosions. This is very essential topic. At last, opening and closing operations. So this unit is extremely important for semester exam. Now I'm repeating again. This unit you can score up to 10 marks very easily. You can prepare histogram, feature selection, morphology, at last dilation erosion with opening and closing operations. So preparation strategy we can do. Student should prepare some definitions. Number 1. Number 2, working principles. Number 3, advantages and disadvantages among some topics like histogram, image sensing, template matching, and opening and closing operations. You can prepare some diagram also from this unit number 3. At last, you can go through some real-time applications so that you can write some examples. If questions come, like you can explain any topic with an example, you can write some real-time examples or real-time applications. So from this unit, most important topics are histogram equalization. Number 1, you can add at most, this is the most priority topic, histogram equalization. Number 2, thresholding. Number 3, edge detection. Number 4, median filter. At last, morphological operations. So you can prepare these 5 topics from unit number 3. And these topics are frequently asked in university exams. So we'll move to the next unit. This is your feature extraction and dimension reduction. So this unit generally focus on feature extraction methods. Number 2, dimensionality reduction. At last, pattern analysis technique. So a student should focus on conceptual understanding because theoretical questions are usually asked from this unit. So now let us discuss the best preparation strategy for your exam, end term exam. Like step number 1, understand the subject flow. Do not memorize directly. First understand. Like if I'm saying what is pattern recognition, why image processing is required, how images are processed digitally, and how classification works. So do not memorize directly. Step number 2, prepare unit-wise notes. Prepare handwriting notes, that is your short notes for some definitions, algorithms, advantages and disadvantages. At last, important formulas. You must learn some formulas with definition. Step number 3, focus on numerical important topics like probability, number 1. Number 2, Bayes theorem. Number 3, mean and covariance. Number 4, classification problem. At last, histogram calculations. You can do some calculations like histogram calculation. You can do it. Step number 4, practice some previous question papers. That is very, very important. So many questions are generally repeated from histogram, equalization, Bayesian classification, edge detection, morphology, and feature extraction. So generally these questions are repeated from many years. Like you can pick some papers like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, like this. Step number 5, diagram practice. That is very important. Diagram practice and some preparations. You can prepare some diagrams for number 1, pattern recognition system. Number 2, image acquisition system. Number 3, histogram processing. And number 4, morphological operations. You can prepare some diagrams from this unit. And step number 6, last week preparation strategy. Like if exams are very near, so you can summarize this syllabus like first complete unit number 1 and 3rd. You just complete unit number 1 and unit number 3rd. Then prepare unit number 2 numerically. At last, you can revise unit number 4. So generally this strategy can help you score good marks in less time. I hope you are understanding. You just complete first unit number 1 and 3rd theoretically. And vice versa, you can do it if you are saying some numerical portions. You can prepare from unit number 2. At last, you can revise unit number 4. This is your revision portion. And important advice for all those students. So do not ignore mathematical concepts because this subject contains statistical foundation. So you can prepare some important algorithms and some concepts with there. So properly, then scoring good marks becomes much easier. So for students interested in AI and machine learning, so this subject is extremely useful because many concepts are directly used in deep learning, computer vision, face recognition, medical imaging, and autonomous system. So take this subject very seriously. So we'll move to the next one. We will talk about some structure, question papers. So in terms of midterm, you can say 1 marks, 4 marks, and 6 marks. But now we are talking about final exams. So you can do like this: 1 marks, 4 marks, and 6 marks. So this video is very helpful. Now we are going to discuss some complete exam preparation strategies for image processing and pattern recognition in terms of these 3 parts. These are the there are three sections: 1 marks, 4 marks, and 8 marks. So, first thing is how to prepare for each section. Number two, which type of answer should be written. Number three, and very important point, is time management strategies. At last, and how to score maximum marks in the exam. So first, let us understand the 1 mark question pattern. So 1 mark question pattern in this section, questions are usually very short and concept based. So generally the university asks definition, basic terminologies, small concepts, short theoretical points, and simple identification questions. So this section mainly checks subject's understanding, terminology knowledge, and basic concepts clarity. So you should know about this section. I'm talking about section number 1, where you can get 1 marks very easily. So subject and understanding, terminology knowledge, and basic concept clarity. So preparation of this section, like student should prepare some definitions, keywords, technical terms, important formulas, basic concept, class, small differences between terms. So you can see like this, define pixels. Generally, I'm talking about the difference between pattern and classes. You can do like this. You can say pattern or pattern recognition. And we can compare brightness, contrast, and many more things. You can compare with statistical pattern recognition and syntactic pattern recognition. So, very important tip for you, just prepare one line definition separately in the notebook. Like if I'm asking pixels and define PEL. So you can prepare some definitions in your notebook. And please focus on image processing terminology, pattern recognition concept, statistical term, pixel related concepts, feature extraction terms, and probability and distribution basics. And the main point is how to write answer, how we can write it. So keep answers short and direct. It's very simple. Number two, do not write unnecessary explanation. Your marks will be detected. So these are the guidelines. You can prepare your subject like this. Number three, use technical terms. Always use technical keywords. And number four, one or two lines are more than enough. If I'm talking about this section, section number 1, A1 marks, so you can write 1 or 2 lines maximum. Accordingly, you can prepare your question according to the Bloom level. Bloom level and COs, like CO1, CO2, these are the course outcomes. And time strategy. Time strategy is all about to not spend too much time on 1 marks question. It's very clear. So complete them quickly and confidently. So now let us discuss about 4 marks section. This is your section number 2. So this section is moderate level and very important for scoring. So in this 4 mark section, the university generally asks explanation, short note, diagrams, small algorithms, comparisons, application, and working principle. So this section checks concept clarity, subject understanding, and presentation skills. So students should prepare some important concepts topic wise. Number one. Number two, small derivations, numerical portions. Number three, diagram based explanation. You can draw some diagrams and you can explain about any topic, any diagrams. You can explain like this. Advantages and disadvantages of real time examples. At last, applications of technique. So important tip. It means tips are generally you can prepare some definitions, diagram, working, application, and advantages. So it's all about the basic structure of this section, section number 2, introduction or definition, diagram if possible, main explanation in points, at last conclusion with applications. So you can prepare some questions from this section number 2, where you are getting 4 marks. And time management. Do not write unnecessary long paragraphs. So write precise and meaningful content. I'm repeating again. Do not write unnecessary explanation. You can write some useful paragraphs, and you can use some bullets and precise and meaningful content. So now let us discuss the most important section, 8 marks. 8 marks, like I'm talking about this section. This section is very important part of this paper. You can get maximum marks from this section. So long theoretical questions are there, detailed explanation, algorithms, mathematical derivations, numerical concepts, case study style questions, diagram based discussions, and this section checks the deep understanding. Number 2, analytical ability. Number 3, subject command. And number 4, writing the presentation skills. Very important. So preparation strategy for 8 marks. So students should focus on complete topic understanding. Number 1. Number 2, step-by-step explanation. Number 3, algorithms. Number 4, mathematical concept. Number 5, numerical practice. At last, diagram preparation. So you can prepare this section in terms of introduction, explanation, diagrams, mathematical formulas, and application with conclusion. So this is the ideal structure of this section, section number 3rd, where you are getting 8 marks from each question. So this is the best university exam writing patterns. So I'm showing you this is your unit number 1 questions, and you can see like 1 marks, unit number 2, 4 marks, and then 8 marks. 8 marks from unit number 2. So we are continuing this pattern. 1 marks from unit number 3rd, 4 marks from unit number 3, and 8 marks from unit number 3rd. You can prepare some questions from these 3 units. So important presentations tips. You can prepare draw some diagrams, use heading and subheadings. These are the basic points. While writing some questions, draw complete clear diagram. You can draw like this. Use heading and subheadings. Write equations properly. Highlight important keywords and maintain proper spacing. And you can avoid these mistakes. Writing irrelevant content. Skipping diagrams. You can't skip it. You have to draw maximum diagrams. Writing very short answer. Ignoring keywords and not explaining step properly. So overall exam strategy, it says the before exam complete short note, revise definition daily, practice diagram, solve previous question paper, and prepare some important numericals. During exam, attempt easy question first. You can attempt easy questions during the exam. Maintain a clear presentation, manage time properly, and avoid overwriting. You can't do like this. Generally, you are writing some text, and generally you are doing some overwriting. So avoid this thing. So these are the 3 units. Now we are summarizing your questions. You can see unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 marks. These are the numerical portions. At last, these are the some questions from unit number 3rd, 4th, and 5th in 8 marks. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please comment in the comment section, and thanks for watching, and all the best.